All right, so I'm going to show you what to do today. If you find that your shading is very liney, so I've done some shading, it's quite liney. It's not quite what I want. I can still see lots of lines there. So what do? How do I make it look less liney? How do I show a smoother, more, how do I make this less liney? So gonna be just turning the paper, doing it in a different direction and pressing with the same pressure. And you'll find that that gets rid of the lines. If it still doesn't get rid of the lines, you can turn it a little bit again. Keeping it that same pressure, you're just basically filling in the gaps now. Turning it at the same pressure, turning it at the same pressure. If I want to use darker and I've got really dark lines there, again I just turn and I press at the same pressure and I'll fill in those gaps. Hopefully you've seen my buffer zone, so you know that if you're going right up to an edge, you want to create that buffer zone first. And then you can just shade in the rest. If you're trying to create a lighter area, you can have your light lines, you have a light buffer zone, and then you do your shading. And if you find it gets quite liney, rotate your paper and go over it again in the same pressure. Okay.